Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix Reddit not working, you've come to the right place. So first of all, on your Reddit account, when you go to Reddit and it's not working, you need to make sure that Reddit servers are on. So if it's not problem with Reddit, there is three main ways to solve your problem. So first of all, you need to make sure that your browser is downloaded with the latest version. The next option, if it's not help, try to delete browsing data. You need to delete cookies and cache images so you can save your browsing history and not delete it. If it's not helped, you can try to manage extensions. So click here, extensions, manage extensions, and remove all unneeded extension. And try to reboot your browser and go to Reddit. If it's not help, you can try to use incognito window, and if even it's not helping you, just try to open Reddit in another browser. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.